Becoming a digital workshop is easy. You can use intelligent assistants and apps to support individual workstations in your business. Start with the assistant of your choice and add others as you need them, and enter the world of digitalization together with us, step by step. Cabinet Creator allows you to configure your furniture easily. Adapt the existing basic forms and create your own library. You choose the fixtures from those available from established manufacturers. Once you've finished, simply click to export the production data. You can import the data into the digital job folder. Gathering all the production data in one place eliminates the need for individual paper documents. Data can also be imported from CAD/CAM systems or industry solutions. Production Manager gives you a transparent overview of your jobs at all times. Before production of the furniture begins, you can use IntelliDivide to calculate the optimal use of the panels automatically. IntelliDivide optimizes various solutions simultaneously using criteria such as the shortest runtime, the lowest waste, or the fewest operator interventions. This enables you to save money and resources. Once you have decided which of the suggested cutting patterns you want to use, you can start cutting using the Cutting Assistant Production Assist Cutting. Import the parts lists with a simple click. The app gives you an accurate overview of the status of the cutting pattern at all times, which parts have already been sawn and which part is suggested next. As a special feature, the assistant also allows you to print a label for every part straight away. This means that each part can now be identified and bears the correct information for subsequent processing. This works even if you are using a circular saw or an upright or horizontal panel saw, irrespective of the type, age, and manufacturer of the saw. And users of a Homog panel dividing saw can simply transfer the data from the IntelliDivide cutting optimization solution to the saw. The labels are created automatically. It's also worthwhile optimizing the panel dividing patterns in the nesting process, as significant savings on costs and materials can be made here too. IntelliDivide Nesting gives you optimized nesting results with just a few clicks. As part of the optimization, the assistant automatically nests the WoodWop programs to the unprocessed panels. At the end, you simply download the finished nest for your CNC machine. But digital assistants are not just helpful aids for individual items of furniture or the processing of these items. They can also help you to organize your workshop, in managing materials, for example, so that you always have an overview of your stock. Where the management of edge material is concerned, there is often room for improvement. The Material Assist Edge app and an edge band rack can help you with this. You can use the app to manage your edge banding material and the offcut lengths in the rack. LED strips on the rack help when material is placed in or removed from storage. You can print the labels for identifying the edge band material directly from the app, which allows you to manage the material simply by scanning the barcode. Before assembly begins, you can use Production Assist sorting to make sure that the parts for the assembly area are complete. This allows you to avoid time-consuming searching for components by making use of a sorting rack. When you scan the label on your workpiece, the app suggests the rack compartment that the part can be sorted to. Every part in your business has its place and you maintain an overview. Another digital assistant can now help you with the next step, assembling the furniture. Call up the required exploded view drawings and parts drawings and the 3D drawings of the furniture. In an additional overview, the assistant shows you which fixtures you should use. This gives you all the information you need for every assembly job. Each digital assistant can be used as an individual module according to your business requirements. All Homog apps can be tested free of charge for 30 days. You then simply purchase them on a monthly basis or take out an annual subscription depending on what you need. Another advantage is that our solutions run directly in an internet browser or as an app on your tablet. This means you no longer have to waste time and effort installing software installations. What's more, it means that all applications are always automatically up to date. the digital assistants from Homog. Easy-to-use solutions for every workstation that can be integrated individually.